Craving juicy, smoky, peanutty goodness? Let's make chicken satay in just minutes. 500 g chicken breast, cut into strips. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon fish sauce. 1 tablespoon lime juice. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. 1 teaspoon curry powder. 2 garlic cloves, minced. Wooden skewers, soaked in water. Half a cup peanut butter. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon lime juice. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Half a cup coconut milk. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. In a bowl, mix soy sauce, fish sauce, lime juice, brown sugar, curry powder, and garlic. Coat the chicken strips, cover, and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Thread the chicken onto skewers. Grill the skewers on a hot grill pan or barbecue for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden and cooked through. Meanwhile, mix peanut butter, soy sauce, lime juice, sugar, coconut milk, and chili flakes in a pan. Heat gently until smooth and creamy. Serve the smoky chicken satay hot with that rich, creamy peanut sauce. Perfect for parties or a family dinner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick recipes.